Wendy was going in and working the inner leg line with more advanced tools because she's been coming to the Thai massage jam like again and again and again. I want to show you how I would more likely work those inner leg lines. Starting them off, I'm just seeing what their range of motion is. I'm just softening them towards that hip, like that external rotation. Now, you don't have to do it this way. You could change this, but this is more likely how I would come in and work those inner leg lines. Is that too much?
You're good right now.
And it was just because I leaned in. It was just temporarily too much. I could come in and use, my hands, but I'm trying to take you off of your hands, okay? Now, do I do this with all clients, particularly female clients I've never worked with? And that's where you have to be a little more mindful, right?
It's actually, so far, this feels very good. It actually feels better than using like your fingertips or something that would like bone me.
How's this right here?
It's good.
Yeah. You see how I just changed position to be able to work along the calf? And then work along the thigh. How's that?
Yeah, it's good.
There you go. Long term, I'm going to give you enough tools. You're just going to pick the one that feels most appropriate to your body and then what feels best to them. If you can't do both, you've failed. And if I can't teach you both, I've failed as a teacher. Does that make sense? It has to be easy on your body and effective for them. Is that too much pressure?
No.
Now, let's say I don't want to be between her legs. It doesn't feel appropriate. It doesn't work for that client. Can I come in like this? Sure.
Yes.
Can I come in like this? Now, can you feel with your feet yet? Just go slow. Now, if I just come in and put all of my weight on her leg, how's she going to respond?
I'll die.
She'll die. Yeah, we don't want her to die. See what I mean? But I know how to balance my weight, and it's a big, broad foot. The foot is a very different structure. It's not my heel in the adductors. It's a big, broad foot. Is this acceptable?
Yes.
Totally fine. If I want to get you off of your hands, I have to give her less tool or more tools that take her off of her hands. Make sense? If you want to come in with forearm elbow, works totally fine. Let's say you don't want to be between the legs. Maybe you come to the outside. Maybe you just want to pull them open this way. Lots of different options. Don't feel like I'm just teaching you one thing. Do you guys want to give and receive that just from the inside? I want you to play with, I changed my position when I was working on the thigh from when I was working on the calf. Just switched it around. I'm going to watch you guys so I can go around and give you pointers.
So it was.
I'll do it on the other leg so you can see it. Because I came in like this.
Yes. Sat there. Okay. Do I need to have more on?
Depends on your body.
Depends on my body.
Yep, depends on her body. And that's what I'm saying. It's all variable. When you use your forearm, how's it feel right there?
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
But I'm always pushing away, right?
Yeah, when I have their leg out, especially when I'm working on the thigh, it just helps kind of roll that external rotation. It increases that external rotation in the hip, opening the hip, opening the hip. It's just for students who've never used their feet, I get a little concerned. That's why I didn't put that in the first workbook that I gave away for free. I was a little worried somebody's going to hurt somebody. Yeah.